Hi everyone, it's Angela Dahlgren, and today I'm giving you a tour of a one-bedroom villa at Disney's BoardWalk Villas. I stayed here in late April, early May, and it was absolutely wonderful, so I cannot wait to give you a tour. This is the front entrance, really nothing to see other than a closet with a high chair and a vacuum. I mean, that's really pretty much it. Lots of closet space and an extra blanket and pillow if you need it. And here's the main living space. This room only sleeps 4 people, where the studio actually sleeps 5. So if you pick a studio, that will actually sleep more people than this one bedroom. That sofa is a pull-out sofa, so that will sleep 2 people, and then the bedroom in the other room will also sleep 2 people. As far as color theme and decorations, I really do like the choices they made with this villa. I like the backsplash, I like kind of the cooler tones. It's very much my vibe, which is ironic because if you've been to my house, it's like all warm tones. Back to what I was saying, the studios sleep 5 people and are 412 square feet. This one bedroom is 814 square feet. A 2-bedroom villa sleeps 9, and that's 1,236 square feet. And the grand villas sleep 12, and those are 2,491 square feet. Here's the washer and dryer. This is pretty standard to what you're gonna see in a villa. It's just that sliding closet that kind of covers it. And there are a lot of doors in this one bedroom. There is a door to open the bathroom. There is a door to go into the main bedroom. There's another door between the bathroom and the main bedroom. It's just like doors everywhere if you need privacy. I do like this room because I feel like there's a lot of space to get ready. One person can get ready in this bathroom while the other person can get ready in the other. One person can take a shower while the other person takes a bath. There's just lots of options, I guess, because of all those doors. Here's the other bathroom. I did get to use the bathtub a couple times and it works very well, so I highly suggest taking a bath if you get the chance, especially if you don't have a jacuzzi at home. And here is a closet. Inside you'll find an ironing board, a laundry basket if you want to do laundry, hangers, a safe, and then a place to put your suitcase. There are 532 villas at Disney's BoardWalk Villas, and the theme is an East Coast beach cottage of the early 1900s. I will say that this was the second to last room, and it was a long walk from the lobby. But I mean, you know what? I'm youthful, it's fine. But like, just know that these rooms are far away from the lobby. So if you have walking restrictions or you don't think you can make it that far, just make a note that you want a room a little closer by. I personally think these beds are really comfortable, and I thought the pillows were too. Now, whether that's because we did like 16-hour days and we're just exhausted, I don't know, but I found the beds really comfortable. Here is the balcony, and the balcony stretches between the main living space and the bedroom. You'll see the view that we had, and if you look off to the far right, you can kind of see the boardwalk. I wouldn't say we had a boardwalk view, I would say more of a standard view, but if you really look to the far right, you could kind of see the boardwalk. Otherwise, it was just a lot of trees. And that's all I have for this one bedroom tour. If you would like a review of Disney's Boardwalk Inn, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!